Hi, I'm Donna Kallner. This bead picot edging makes a nice finishing touch for items like this mosaic bead looping business card pouch. You can use the same technique to edge jewelry, bags, garments, and other items, but this demonstration will focus on using it in bead looping. The sample project was worked from an oval base. The final row is what my students know as a grout row, a row of plain looping where the lags cradle the beads on the next to the last row. To begin the bead picot edging, anchor a thread and bring it out at the edge of the pouch. For your first stitch only, pick up 3 beads. Advance 1 bead width, catch a lag. Then snug the thread so that the first and third beads lie side by side along the edge of the rim, and the middle bead is perched on top between them. Now pass the needle back up through the third bead. Pick up 2 more beads, advance 1 bead width, catch a lag, snug the thread, and pass the needle back through the second bead. Repeat that pattern, picking up 2 beads, advance, catch a lag, snug the thread, and pass the needle back through the second bead. Now you'll notice that I'm passing under a lag, but the needle does not pass over the working thread as it would in a looping stitch. You just pass under the lag. When you've beaded all the way around, pick up a final perch bead pass down through the very first bead that you put on and weave away the thread to trap the tail. And you're done. It's a lovely little edge, and it's actually very fun to work. I hope you'll find lots of ways to use it. Have fun!